Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to create GitHub Pages. This with Visual Studio Code and a remote connection to our Fedora server. Start on the website from GitHub Pages with a lot of information, hard to start a page. We have also the GitHub Pages documentation with a lot of information. The first thing we do is to go to the normal GitHub page and log in. We log in with our username and password, and we are in. We go to my repositories, see from previous videos. We go new and create a new repository, and we give it a name. Copy it. My username .github.io. You can give it a description. So let's say GitHub Pages. You do it public. Add a README file and create a repository. If you want to keep it very simple, you can do add file, create a new file, give it a name index.html, and put the text by home lab. Of course, this text can whatever you want. The name of the file has to be index.html. We commit changes. You have a message, a description if you want. Commit directly to main branch. Commit changes. Et voilà. Now we can go to actions and see we have pages built and development. It's now busy, huge. Now we open a new page and copy username.github.io. I think, okay, it's already finished. But it's not yet, it's the README file now. So we need to wait a little bit. Refresh it, I will up my home lab. So if you don't have an we go to code. If you don't have an index.html file, you can view the README file. Now we can go to Visual Studio Code and adjust index.html. We go to code here, open it, and copy the HTTPS URL. Click here and copy it to the clipboard. We open Visual Studio Code and edit our index.html. We do a remote connection, connect current window to host, Fedora server, opening remote, see it here down, et voilà, we're inside. Now we can open folder, clone repository. The URL. Enter. And the place where you want to put the code. We go to programming and GitHub projects. We put it here between these directories. Select as repository destination. Okay. Open it, of course. Et voilà. We have index.html and the README file. Now we can open index.html, remove everything. We do exclamation mark and tab. Here, voila, you have a whole HTML file without content, of course. The title is iPhone Lab. And here we put each one tag. One. Close it. My home lab. Or create an h2 tag. Hello. Wow. Save it. Control S. And you see we have a not committed item. Of course, the index.html. Create index. Committed. See here, we are at the main branch and we can push it to GitHub. We go back to our website. Here, refresh it. It can take a moment. Here, voila, we have a new website. My home lab and hello world. In this next part, we create a sub web page. We are back on our repository page and see we have a new repository for GitHub Pages. Now I want to create a page for every repository we created in previous videos, a hello world and a hello world clone. So how we do that? You select hello world, open it, and go to settings. See down here, have pages, open it, deploy from a branch. You can also GitHub Actions, but deploy from branch. The branch is main, because we only have one, main. And the place where we put our pages is docs. You can also put it in the root, but it's better docs. Save it. Okay. You can also do a custom domain, but that's for another video maybe. Enforce HTTPS, it's automatic. And if you want the visibility from the pages to be private, you need an enterprise account. So all the pages has to be public for free accounts. We go back to our code. And now we can create a page. We go to Visual Studio Code, close the previous directory, close folder. We go again to folder, open folder, see the home directory, programming, head projects, and hello world. Okay. And you see hello world from our previous video. Now we're going to create a new folder, docs. Enter. And inside docs, we're going to create a new file, index.html. Enter. it's opened already. We do explanation mark tab. Again, the title is my home lab with hello world. Okay, go to the body, create an h1 tag, my home lab. Yes, and h2 tag, hello world. Of course, you can also use styles and JavaScript, but that's not the point of this video. We save the file, Control S, see, it's saved, and we commit the index. Commit it, sync it, and we are putting the HTML file on GitHub. Now we can look to our page and see what has happened. We are back on our browser with our first page. If we now adjust the URL with hello world, it's exactly the same name as the name of the repository. Enter, and you see my home lab, hello world. Now we do the same for the hello world clone. We go back to the GitHub website and see we have a directory docs. If we open it, see we have index.html. Now we go back to repositories, do the hello world clone, open it. It's the same like before. Settings, pages, load from branch, main, docs, and save it. All the rest can stay like it is. We go back to code, refresh it, and we go now to Visual Studio Code. Open it again, close the folder, open a new folder, the home directory, programming, get projects, hello world clone. Hello world clone, you have to open twice. Okay. It's cloning, and we have hello world from the previous video. Again, we create a new folder, docs, enter, create a new file, index.html, explanation mark, tab, change the title, home lab, it's one tag, my home lab again, and it's two tag with hello world clone. Okay. Control S to save it. Go to source control, update hello world, commit it, and sync it. Now we can go back to our browser and see if we have the right result. We are back to our browser and change the URL with hello world clone. special attention is the H capital letter. It's necessary to do that. Enter. You see, we have our text. If you change the text with low H, you see we have a 404, file not found. Why is that? If we go to our repositories, go back to my repositories, you see the Hello World clone is with an H capital letter. So be careful with that. Now I'm gonna adjust the first GitHub page with 2 links to the Hello World and the Hello World clone. We are back at Visual Studio Code. Close the folder, open folder, home folder, programming, hit projects, the first page, GitHub Pages. Okay. We are at the index.html. I prepared a little code. Put it here, paste it, and you see we have first a new line, then a link to our Hello World page, the second link to our Hello World clone page, 2 new lines, and my name. Save it, Ctrl S, commit it, update index.html, commit it, and sync it. It's now on GitHub, and we can look if the result is okay. We open the page, refresh it, and voila, we have the text. But I forget to put a line break between the 2 links. So we go back to Visual Studio Code and put the BR tag. Okay, again, save it, commit it, update line break, commit, sync. Okay, it's on GitHub. We go back to our browser and refresh it. It can take some time before it's okay. I refresh a couple of times. You're gonna see that. Sometimes it takes 1 or maybe 2 minutes. Okay, et voila. Now we can open the link. We are Hello World. Go back and Hello World clone. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.